Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Dewalt 20V set is probably one of the most sought-after and versatile collections for both professional tradespeople and enthusiastic DIYers, offering a robust ecosystem of cordless power tools designed to tackle a wide array of projects with unparalleled efficiency and reliability, making it an essential investment for anyone looking to upgrade their workshop or job site capabilities with industry-leading performance and durability. Number 5. Dewalt 20V Max 5 Tool Combo Kit DCK551D1M1. This drill driver is engineered for efficiency. Its compact and lightweight design allows you to easily maneuver into tight spaces. Equipped with a high-performance motor, it delivers 300 unit watts out of power. This ensures you can tackle a wide range of demanding applications with ease. The impact driver also boasts a compact design, measuring just 5.55 inches from front to back. This allows it to fit comfortably into confined work areas. The reciprocating saw features a convenient keyless blade clamp. This design allows for fast and effortless blade changes without needing to touch the blade or shaft. With its 6-to-1/2-inch carbide blade, the circular saw makes quick work of tough materials. It can even cut 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in a single pass. What we like. This 5-tool kit is designed for efficiency in confined areas. Its compact and lightweight tools make maneuvering a breeze. If you often work in tight spots or need tools that are easy to handle for extended periods, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Dewalt 20V Max 7 Tool Combo Kit DCK720D2. This drill driver features a high-speed transmission, offering 2 distinct speeds. It's perfect for a wide range of fastening and drilling tasks. The impact driver allows for convenient one-handed bit loading. Its 1/4-inch hex chuck securely accepts 1-inch bit tips, making your work flow smoothly. Equipped with 3 powerful LEDs, it provides excellent visibility. These lights stay on for 20 seconds after release, eliminating shadows in your work area. This bright flashlight ensures your work area is always well lit. It delivers 110 lumens of clear LED output, enhancing precision. The grinder boasts an 8,000 revolutions per minute motor, delivering impressive power. It's ideal for demanding cutting and grinding applications, tackling tough materials with ease. Featuring a 6-to-1/2-inch carbide blade, this circular saw makes quick work of common tasks. It can cut 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in just one pass. The reciprocating saw includes a keyless blade clamp for convenience. This design allows for quick and safe blade changes, without needing to touch the hot blade or shaft. What we like. This comprehensive 7-tool kit offers exceptional versatility for a wide range of tasks. It includes a high-speed drill and an impact driver with excellent visibility. If you're looking for a complete setup that also keeps you entertained on the job site, this kit with its Bluetooth speaker is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Dewalt 20V Max Compact 6-Tool Combo Kit, DCK620D2. This drill driver offers exceptional power for all your drilling needs. It features a 2-speed transmission, allowing you to tackle various materials with ease. Experience effortless blade changes with this reciprocating saw. Its keyless blade clamp ensures you can switch blades quickly and safely, without touching the hot blade. This impact driver provides superior visibility in any workspace. Its 3 LED light ring illuminates your work area, eliminating shadows for precise fastening. Light up your job site with this powerful LED work light. It delivers 110 lumens of bright, consistent light, ensuring you can see every detail. Make quick and accurate cuts with this circular saw. Its 6-to-1/2-inch carbide blade can effortlessly cut through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in a single pass. Enjoy your favorite music on the job site with this versatile Bluetooth speaker. It's powered by both AC/DC and runs on 12V and 20V Max * Dewalt battery packs. What we like. This 6-tool kit provides essential power with thoughtful features. The impact driver's 3 LED light ring ensures your work area is always well lit, reducing shadows. If you frequently work in dimly lit conditions or need precision where light is crucial, this kit's lighting features will be invaluable. What people say. Number 2. Dewalt 20V Max 10 Tool Combo Kit DCK 1021D2. This kit features a compact and lightweight design, perfect for fitting into tight spaces. Its variable speed trigger provides exceptional control and precision, even on delicate work surfaces. The reciprocating saw in this set boasts a keyless blade clamp. This innovative feature allows for quick and safe blade changes, without ever touching the blade or shaft. Brighten your work area with the included 20V Max * lithium-ion LED work light. Its convenient hook allows for hands-free use and improved visibility wherever you need it. Experience enhanced comfort and control with its optimized rubber overmolded grip. This design ensures better balance, reducing fatigue during extended use. Changing wheels is now simpler than ever. It features a quick change wheel release, allowing for tool-free changes without the need for a wrench. Enjoy your favorite tunes on a job site with the wireless Bluetooth speaker. It conveniently runs off your Dewalt 12V 20V Max * battery packs. Tackle messes efficiently with its dual cleanup modes. You can remove debris using either the front utility nozzle or the extendable rubber hose. What we like. This impressive 10-tool kit is the ultimate package for any serious DIYer or professional. It covers nearly every task imaginable, from drilling to grinding, and even includes cleanup tools. If you're looking for a complete workshop in a single purchase, this extensive set offers unmatched value and capability. What people say. The provided source JSON for product reviews was empty. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted or quoted as requested. Number 1. Dewalt 20V Max 6-Tool Cordless Power Tool Combo Kit DCK 694P2. Introducing the ultimate solution for your toughest jobs. This comprehensive kit provides 6 essential cordless tools, designed to tackle a wide range of tasks with ease and efficiency. It's everything you need to get started or upgrade your workshop. Experience superior performance with its hammer drill driver. It features a high-efficiency brushless motor, delivering up to 75% more runtime than older models. Its heavy-duty metal chuck ensures exceptional bit gripping strength for reliable operation. The impact driver in this set offers incredible versatility. With 3 speed settings and precision drive, it provides enhanced control for various applications. You can easily adjust its power to suit the task at hand. Cut through materials with confidence using its powerful circular saw. Equipped with a 7 to 1/4-inch blade, it delivers an impressive 2 to 9/16-inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees. This tool boasts the runtime to complete 330 crosscuts in 2x4 pine on a single charge. The reciprocating saw offers a variable speed trigger, allowing precise control from 0 to 2,900 strokes per minute. Additionally, the oscillating multi-tool features a quick change accessory system, enabling fast and easy blade changes without needing extra wrenches. Light up your workspace with the included bright LED flashlight, providing 110 lumens of output. This kit also comes complete with 2 powerful batteries and a charger, ensuring you always have power ready for your next project. This comprehensive 6-tool combo kit provides the power, efficiency, and versatility you need for any job. With its advanced brushless motors and user-friendly features, it's designed to help you work smarter and finish faster. What we like. This 6-tool kit features a powerful brushless hammer drill, offering superior runtime and durability. Its advanced motor technology ensures you can tackle the toughest materials with ease. If you frequently work with masonry or require tools that can withstand heavy-duty, continuous use, this kit provides the robust performance you need. What people say. No positive points found in the provided empty source. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful information. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.